Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the dome light bulbs in our 2015 Volkswagen Passat. This should apply to every Passat 2012 to 2015, and it may apply to other model years as well. All you should need is some new bulbs. I'm going to be using some LED upgrade bulbs from LASFIT in order to get a brighter light out of the dome light. You might need a flashlight in order to see in the interior, and you're probably going to need a plastic pry tool to get the dome light housing out. So I'm going to go ahead and hop into the interior, show you what we're working with, show you how to pull that dome light out, and show you how to remove the light bulbs in order to replace them. Alrighty, so as you can see, we're inside the car with the dome light, and we have the dome light cover removed. Now in order to do that, you need to stick a plastic pry tool right here, and you're looking from the back of the car, the back seat, sitting in the back seat. You can stick a plastic pry tool here, pry downwards, and it'll hinge out a little bit, and also right here, pry downwards again, and it'll hinge out, and it should just pop off. From there, you can see the two bulbs, right here and right here. And in order to remove those, all you need to do is pull straight down and you pull them out. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you, this is what the dome lights look like right now. Now, that blows out the camera a little bit, but you can see that they're very, very yellow. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut to another shot where I have the camera a little bit better set up so you can see the light, and give you a better idea of what they look like stock, so I can give you an A/B comparison to with the new ones. Alright, so this should give you a better idea of what the stock bulbs look like, so you can move maybe back and forth in a video just if you're wanting to compare to see what the new bulbs look like versus the old ones. So this should give you a good idea of how much brighter the new bulb is compared to the old one, as well as the color difference. I can tell you from being in here in the car, you can't even tell that the old bulb's on if you look around the car. The new bulb is that bright compared to the old one. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the second one, and I'm going to go ahead and button everything up. In order to close up the dome light, all you need to do is snap the cover back on. Just press it straight into the roof, into the headliner, and it should be good to go. And as you can see, the LED bulbs fade out, just like the stock ones, which is a really nice thing to have, because a lot of LED bulbs, whenever they fade out, they flicker instead of fading out nicely. So I'll be right back and show you what the finished product looks like. You can see that we have the LED bulbs installed in the car, and this should give you a decent idea of what it looks like. We're sitting inside the garage. It's not particularly bright outside the car, but you can see inside, I mean, that LED light is bright. So, super, super easy install. Definitely worth upgrading, I think. And I'm going to go ahead and do the map lights in a separate video, the ones that are up there. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.